Hello everyone, this is Winnie from EBI channel. Today I'm gonna interview our top sale in 2021, Chili, and she will share us the secret of her success. Hi Chili, welcome!
Chili is the top sale on 2021.
Yeah, congratulations on being the top sale.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, you deserve it. You know our colleagues are really curious about your success. Here are some questions I will ask on behalf of them. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Go.
First of all, we noticed that the performance are double than 220.
Yes.
What makes that happen?
Okay, let me share my secret with you. Because of a product.
Which one? Could you share us?
Yes, this one continuous spray water. You can see it.
Yeah.
Try it.
Yeah, I want to try. Wow, continue 2-3 seconds.
Yes, this continuous spray you just spray it, and it can continuous 2 or 3 seconds.
Oh, that's great.
Yes, and you can see the white, clear, and black colors. They are in stock. So many customers may be worried about if they order a lot, but the market is not good, right? So you can start with about like 500 or 10,000. Yes.
Oh,
And
maybe that is the reason why this one becomes so popular.
Yes, and we could also do the custom color, and you will have your own products.
Oh, that's great.
It's great. So and this continuous spray bottles it can use in many environments, like you can clear your hair, you can put some perfume in it, and you can clean the plant, clean the table, and water the plants. So free your hand, right? Use it in many times you want.
Oh, okay. No wonder it is so hot.
Yes.
Thanks for sharing, Chili, and I think it will be more hotter this year.
Okay, fighting this year. Yeah. I want to be top sale this year too.
Yeah, you must be. Okay, thank you, Chili, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.